Hello everybody, we are YANTAI YITE Hydraulic Equipment Sales Corporation Limited. We are one of actuator attachment manufacturers in China. We can produce all kinds actuator attachment products. Also, we can supply so many products to you, such as hydraulic log gripper, hydraulic steel grab, hydraulic pile shell, hydraulic shell, car dismounting equipment, actuator thumb bucket, actuator clamshell bucket, etc. Please check our website with www.ytyy.com and select your certified products. Also, please send an email to benjaminxia@ytyy.com. Thank you.